They just arrested 5 people in this house. I don't know why. Do you like YouTube? Yeah, that's my channel. We report the police. Get yourself a camera, record police, start a channel, homie. I will give you shout outs. We think it. Get you out there. Record these guys, bro. You're their boss until they break the law. Yeah. See that? Empowering the kids every day. Yeah. Hey, homie, I like your walk though, homie. Stay cool with it. You guys take Mora and Lopez's job. Those guys are douchebags. I hope you guys become sergeants and shit.
That guy that's gonna drive it, he might become a sergeant too.
Hey, you guys have a good night, man. We're out of here. Hey, thank you for being cool, man. Just go, homie. Thanks. What's up?
Just wait for Andrew, bro.
Tell me why they had me in there so long, though.
So why they had you there?
Why'd you guys have me in there so long?
Show me your hands right now, right? Show me your wrist.
They just hate me, bro. More is cool. More is real cool, honestly. Well, I respect more.
Can I see your hands?
But they fuck with me.
Let me get your hands. Were they tight?
It's all good.
It's okay? Wow.
Damn, brother.
Hey, thank you guys a lot, bro.
Go tell your
Thank
homie,
you guys
bro.
a lot,
Your
dog.
homie right there was tripping on us. Talk to him, bro.
Yeah,
all right.
Mora's been a little bitch with me,
This
bro.
is your car?
That's my car for my channel, bro.
Look up Casey Camera Boy.
Hey,
that'll be my channel, bro.
Hey, if you ever want to record
I
police with
appreciate
us,
you guys, bro,
you want
a
to
lot.
record the police with us,
Say hi
start
to
a
your
channel?
pop, bro. Say hi to your pop, bro.
Hey, start a channel, bro, and go out and record with us.
I'll take you out. If you want to record, bro, I'll take you out.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Fuck yeah, trust me.
Hey, I'm gonna hit you guys up, bro.
Sure, brother. Have a good night, man.
Appreciate you guys, dog.
Alright, guys. Andrew, we're gonna bounce out back.
Make sure you talk to your homie, bro, because it was tripping.
Oh, I can go.
Make sure you talk to your homie.
Hey, just next time, bro, next time. That way you no le hagas de pedo right now. That way they don't fucking
I got my biker's good.
Alright, man.
Alright,
we don't mean no disrespect to the
Oh
homie.
yeah, I shouldn't pull up right now, though.
Yeah, come back. They got a warrant in their hand, bro.
You guys leave and then fucking, that's when they'll take you.
Yeah. You're right. Let us know
You guys want to go to the police station?
I'm gonna hit you guys up for sure, bro.
You guys want to go to the police station?
Real, bro.